同学们好，我是 Haynes 老师。Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Haynes, and today's tutorial is on Chinese Made Easy 2 textbook, chapter 4 on today's weather. Now the first word you need to be familiar with is the word 天气. 天气, which is weather, which is what our unit is about at the moment. So focusing in on this first text, you'll see that they've denoted that this particular text is about Taipei, and that's Taipei, what we know as Taipei. So 今天是晴天，气温在10到15度. So this sentence at the beginning. Today is fine and clear. Okay, today is fine and clear. The temperature is at 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. So that sentence there is important because we're actually learning how to write a from and to temperature. So if you want to write that the temperature is from a particular number to another, you use the word 在 and then 到, and you put the numbers in between. And make sure that you finish off with some kind of description of what you're trying to talk about in numbers. 明天晴转多云，下午可能会有毛毛雨. So tomorrow it will be fine and then it will turn to cloudy. In the afternoon there's possibly going to be some dribble. It's probably going to drizzle in the afternoon. So in this particular part, we need to know about this particular word here, 转. So you go from one state to another. And then also the word possibly, and this is in my other tutorial as well. Now you'll notice when you're describing weather that you always have to say 有, which means it will have this type of weather, which makes kind of no sense in English, but it does in Mandarin. Now, 澳门 is Macau, and it says 今天是阴天，有雨，气温在25到32度. So today is overcast. It will have rain, or it will rain, and the temperature is at 25 to 32 degrees Celsius. Nice temperature. Now, again, we're seeing that same pattern with describing the from and to number of your temperature. You've got 在 and 到, from at 25 to 32 degrees. 明天可能有台风. So that means that tomorrow could possibly have a typhoon. Kind of dramatic. Definitely something that happens in that part of Asia. 东京, which means east capital, Tokyo. 今天多云，刮西北风，气温在15度左右. So this is quite a long sentence. Here, today, 多云 is very cloudy, lots of clouds. 刮西北风. Now, if you look at the blue words, you'll see 刮风, which means to be windy. 刮 means to blow. 刮风 is to be windy. Now, if you want to say the wind is in a particular direction, which we often get in news presentations, you can put the direction in the middle. Now, when you watch my tutorial on directions, compass directions, you'll find out why we put west before north. And then in the second part of the sentence, 气温, the temperature is at 15 degrees around about, 左右. This is a colloquialism of using left and right to say it's around about, left and right. Okay, now this you can't usually use when you have a from or to number. So if it's saying you're going to say it's 25 to 30 degrees, you probably wouldn't say 左右 at the end. It's when you're making an approximation about a particular number, in this case 15. Now, 明天有雨, tomorrow it will have rain. Last one, 北京, which is Beijing, North capital. 今天有大风雪，气温在零下10到15度. So today is going to have a big snowstorm. So a snowstorm, the word 雪 is snow. Now, 气温, the temperature is at 零下, we'll see is below zero, underneath zero, because 下 is to be under, 10, so 零下10, it's 10, minus 10, 到15 度 to 15 degrees. So it's quite a large range of temperature there. 下周可能会转晴. So next week it will possibly turn to be clear, so become clear or fine. So looking at the vocabulary, 晴天台北 when 气温度转多云晴转多云可能会雨下雨毛雨澳门阴天台风东京刮风刮西北风左右雪大风雪零下天气怎么样多少